ako guys, nag-download ako ng love calculator. May add na siya. Takasan natin mga ganda lang.
Everybody scream Parker! 1, 2, 3.
Hala? Hala? 75! Isa pa. Fiancé, si Anna at si Bella. 70! Kasi nga friend, diba? My girlfriend. Pagkapatid yan silang dalawa, diba? 61 lang. Aray mo.
We should climb down and see where it leads. It looks really cool. What? Unbelievable? So it's down there? But it's on the show? How do you possibly think it?
That's crazy. We can't go down there. Nothing strange.
Hala, 99! Oh my goodness!
Just excited for you is all. I never thought of myself.
Ala, ang laki na. Ang laki. Sana all. Sana all.
You're right. It's crazy.
Yan, kaya. Oh, mga nanonood sa akin dyan, mag-comment na kayo kung anong pangalan nyo. Para ilagay natin dito. Yan yung pangalan ko, guys.
Let's see if they have that t-shirt for you back in the stand.
Oh, okay, thanks, man.
Hey, get out of here! That's right. I gotta get you a
Yan.
small pot security.
Ayan. Yung pangalan ng daddy ko. Tignan natin na. Ito pangalan ko, yung number 1. Tapos yung pangalawa, papa ko. Hala! Hindi lang pala yung love nyo. Ampun ba ako? Joke lang. Ayan, tinanong ko yung mama ko. Ilan kayang percent? Ma. Ano ba? Di pala ako love eh. Ay. Wait lang. Kunyari, yaya ko.
All the clothes in the arena, they're supposed to say which section of the arena stop our players. Real undercover stuff. What's your code?
It's like God, na 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 na. Ala, aray mo. Sila ba yung totoo kong pamilya? Joke lang. It's like God, nang mawala. Oh. Kandarusa ka rin ang mawala. Kunya, naggagawa tayo ng sarili nating pangalan. Ay, ka na mawala. Ha? 6-7! Ito. Dapat inano ko yung picture ko lang. Ang hirap. Kung sakaling, ayun! Na-picture ko. Kung sakaling nang mawala. Manik's house or
He was awarded the most liked teacher at the school where he works. These are the people you should be.
family.
Said, if we get into a competition with ourselves, our job
Kung sakaling nang mawala. Manik's home at saka familia eh.
to race this breakdown out the gate.
Ay, grabe, 8-3. Huwag na. So, yun lang. Bye-bye! Oh, wait lang. Ulit. So, yun lang. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Huwag niyong kalimutan ipindot ang like button at subscribe. At huwag niyong kalimutan yung mga video dyan sa screen. Pindutin niyo na tapos isend nyo na din sa mga kaibigan niyo. So, yun lang. Bye-bye!